just right size that fits inside the workpiece. Phi-25 straight holder. We newly added the holder size of 90 to 50. This enables to choose the one that is more suitable for your welding environment. The conventional product has a long length, so you can adjust up and down. However, it may interfere with the workpiece. In that case, try our new size straight holder. By shortening the length, welding can be performed comfortably without interference of the workpiece. Choose the size suitable for your welding environment and usage.